Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. If you are new here, my name is Sam, and I hope that everyone, of course, is having a Halloween happy kind of day. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and do my July layout in my Halloween planner. I hope that you still find these videos relaxing. It's been a little bit since I filmed a video, I think. I have like another pre-recorded one that will go up before this, but I just wanted to take a second to thank everyone who has been so kind and who has sent their strength, their love, virtual hugs to me for us having to say goodbye to Raven. I still don't believe that it's real. Like I do, but it just doesn't feel real. Like I kind of turn off my mind and pretend that she's next to me or that she's like at the vet and I'm going to go pick her up or she's just not home right now. So it's very different, very lonely. I've always had a pet since I was a kid, since I was a young child. I've never been without a pet. So it's very weird, and I don't know how people do this, how you live a life without a precious creature to care for and to give your love. But I know pets aren't for everyone, but it's just very weird for me. So yeah, I appreciate all the love and everything. You guys have been so sweet, so patient, obviously, and I know that you guys are always like, take time for yourself with your mental health and everything like that. And I really appreciate that, and I appreciate the encouragement. And I'm just so glad that you guys were able to get to know Raven and appreciate her and love her as if she was your own dog. Like, that means the world to me. I had someone who messaged me, one of my friends, Erin. She was like, how cool is it that so many people loved Raven, like all over the world? And I was like, that is pretty amazing. But anyways, thank you guys so much, and just thanks for hanging in there with me. So on to the spread, onto the layout. We're doing July. I'm a little bit late in posting this. I mean, we're still in July, of course, but my last planner video that I did, it was for June, and I had every intention of scheduling that one while I took my break, and then also the unboxing. You'll probably see it after this one. That was a pre-recorded video, but I have yet to publish it. You guys liked when I talked about things that I was watching, and some of you guys even commented that you want to hear like my monthly favorites or what I'm into, things that I'm eating. So I think I'll probably just continue talking about things that I'm currently watching. I don't know. I thought about maybe doing a series of like when I do stuff in my planner, maybe talk about like a certain topic or something. I really don't know. If you have any ideas, throw them in the comments for me. Recently, just the other day, we went to go see Insidious, and I liked it. I will say that I love the Insidious franchise. I also like the Conjuring franchise, and just Patrick Wilson is amazing. I was glad that we were getting a new Insidious, right? And I was excited to see how Dalton has been since we've last seen him. And I thought it was pretty cool that we, went off to college with him. And then I also feel like there were some jump scares, which these movies are known for the jump scares, like with the loud music, so intense, and then all of the scares, like they're good in that way. And when we were sitting in the theater before it started, we noticed it was PG-13, and we almost forgot that all of them have been PG-13. For some reason, we thought they were rated R just because they are so scary. Like, how are they PG-13? But with this one, there were a few scares, but I personally don't think it was as scary as some of the other ones. Maybe because I was plugging my ears so I couldn't hear the loud music and covering my eyes. Maybe that's why, but it definitely felt like there was more of a story that you paid attention to. And I liked seeing the family together, although I wish we got more of that because I just like when they're all together. And then the whole like when they went into the further, I really like that. I always like that because it just seems so unknown and full of all of the frightening things, like all of the nightmares that you could have as a person. And I just feel like we didn't get enough of that. I also feel like I just wasn't a fan of the further coming into our world. It looked a little too like ghouls and goblins type thing, where it's like the makeup just looked a little too much like, ghoul makeup. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Let me know if you guys feel the same. Yeah, but I liked Dalton in college. I liked his friend that we got to see a lot. Um, it was a good watch, and I think I'll definitely watch it again. We didn't rewatch all of the other ones, which I wish that I would have, because normally we do that just to remind ourselves of the whole story and everything like that. But also with the movie, we saw so many trailers, like it was almost too much. It was too much because I always have to go to the bathroom, I always have to pee, and I try to time it just right so I don't have to get up in the theater and walk. I have like social anxiety, well, many anxieties, but I hate getting up in front of people, like going to the bathroom. I hate having to worry about, can I find my seat? What if they don't let me back in? Just all these things. So they showed like 10 trailers. It was ridiculous. I'm like, what happened to the good old days when it was just 3 trailers? And then after the 10 trailers, I'm thinking, all right, we're getting into the movie. And then they show that dang AMC trailer with Nicole Kidman that I feel like needs to be updated by now because I'm tired of seeing that. I don't know. I told Joe, I was like, they should edit this and make her scream as if she's watching horror movies on the actual screen. So anyways, that goes on for like 10 minutes. It was kind of annoying, but it was a good time. And then we also went on Thursday, so we got these cool little movie posters. I feel like they'll give them out, but yeah, that was pretty fun. Let me know if you guys have seen it and let me know your thoughts and if you like the Insidious franchise. I feel like that's the most recent thing that I've watched movie-wise, and this video isn't that long, so I'm gonna stop rambling about that. And here is the final look of July. I'm gonna be honest and say I just really was throwing things on this page. I'm working on myself by not trying to make everything perfect and just going with the flow. And so that's what I did with this layout, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's so, so cute. I I really like how the washi tape looks. I really like the stripes and everything like that, and I can't wait to use it. I had a few of these little bits and pieces I kind of wanted to cluster up on this July layout, which you'll see me do here. It was just like a little tag that said sweet and spooky, a spider web, and just like some cardstock and stuff. I thought it would be cute just to add some color to the page and just add a little bit more because I like a lot of stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy any of my videos, if you enjoy these types of videos in the comments down below. Let me know, would you like it if I talked about certain topics or should I just keep it planner talk? I don't know, I can't decide. I'm gonna call it good with this planner. I thought it was really cute. I liked that I added the little frilliness over here. I love it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. Before I leave you, if you want to join my community, definitely check out my Patreon. The link is listed below. You get access to my Discord, behind the scenes, extra personal post, Halloween happy mail, monthly hangouts, movie nights, and so much more. So if you want to show your support for my channel, it would mean so much. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!